2007 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power steering, automatic transmission, passenger airbag, daytime running lights, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.